Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Ahmed and you are watching my YouTube channel Marvel Tech and Gaming. So today in this video I am gonna to show you if you are using Windows 10 then how to increase your hard drive space and faster the performance of your PC up to 60 to 70%. So I tell you 5 tips and if you follow them then you absolutely find a difference in your PC performance. So let's start. So first of all you have to left click on this PC icon, go to the last and click on properties. From here you have to click on advanced system settings. Click on settings and you see by default the first option is selected. You have to select the third option and click on apply. Then click on OK. You simply go to the search bar and search for run. You can also open this by pressing Windows plus R from keyboard. After opening it, you have to search for temp and then press enter. Inside it, delete all the files. And if you see this bar, you have to click on continue. Now again do the same, search for run, press enter and type %temp, then press enter. Inside it you see many files, delete all the files. Then press the delete button from keyboard or manually delete it. After deleting all the temporary files, you have to again do the same and search for run. Now you have to type pre-patch and then press enter. And you see this bar, press on continue. And select all the items inside it and delete them. If you see this, you have to skip the file. And now you have to empty the recycle bin and then go to this PC and go to C drive and then you see the folder Windows, open it and scroll down and you find a software distribution folder. Open it and you have to see download folder inside it. You have to select the folder and delete it, or you have to click on continue. So you now have to go to this PC, left click on C drive, go to the last and click on properties. Then click on disk cleanup and wait for a while and tick all the items inside it. After tick all the items, you have to click on clean up system files. Then again wait for a while. Then also tick all the items inside. Then click on OK and click on delete files. Then you see the files are deleted automatically. Okay, the final task is go to the search bar and search for Windows Defender. Here you see the Windows Defender app. Open the app and if you have a plenty of time, I mean 10 to 15 minutes, then click on full and then click on scan now. This will take 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, when the scan is complete, you have to restart your PC and your PC performance is increased up to 60 to 7%. I hope you like my video. If this video helped you a little bit, then leave a like on this video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.